In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments on Wix if you want to start taking payments directly through your Wix website. The good news is that the setup process is very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your Wix dashboard and what to expect as you move through the payment setup screen, so you can get everything connected smoothly. To begin, log into your Wix account and open the main dashboard for the site you want to work on. This is the central area where you manage your website settings, business tools, and payment options. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains the core configuration options for your site, including the tools related to payments. After that, find and click Accept Payments. This is the area where Wix lets you choose how you want customers to pay you through your website. If your goal is to take card payments directly, look for the option that says Accept Credit and Debit Cards with Wix and select it. This will begin the setup process for connecting card payments to your site. At this stage, Wix will show you the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them carefully so you understand the payment service requirements, processing details, and any policies that may apply to your account. Once you're ready, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be asked to select the options that apply to you. This part may involve confirming your business type or choosing settings related to how you plan to accept payments. Review each selection carefully, then click Continue again. From there, you'll need to enter the necessary details to connect your card payments. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and matches your business or account records, since payment providers often use this information for verification and account approval. Taking a moment to double-check everything here can help prevent delays later. Once your details are submitted, Wix will continue the connection process for your payment setup. After approval, your website should be ready to accept credit and debit card payments from customers. That's all it takes to get started. As a final tip, after completing the setup, it's a good idea to return to your payment settings and confirm everything looks active and properly connected. This helps make sure your checkout experience is ready before customers start placing orders.